name again? Ryker.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm a fan of LEDs, so he'll represent.
So you got a backup camera?
Yeah, I got backup camera, front camera. Right here, it mirrors the phone. You know. This
Okay,
is,
so where does the backup camera show at? Oh, right on this screen. Okay.
Yeah, right. Everything's right on this screen right here.
What is that, a phone or just a nav? What is it?
There, right here.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this do everything.
And this your tablet, so that do everything too.
Waterproof, shockproof.
So when you want to do a nav to go somewhere, do you use that or this?
Either one.
Either one.
Out here, you can put a SIM card in it.
What else you do to it? What is this? This paint. Yeah, this paint.
This thing is called Reggie Red.
Reggie Red?
Reggie Red. It's my own custom paint.
Yeah, that paint hit. And it got a little sparkle to it.
Ooh. Yeah. So tonight, here's what you're gonna see tonight. See these stickers right here?
Oh, okay. So the stickers back here, they gonna glow.
What's that?
So these stickers, they glow.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be.
For the spiders, for the Rykers, anything.
Oh, and you do those yourself?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna mess with
I
you.
do plug and play LED kits for Rykers, spiders.
You know I can blow you up. People see this on my channel, it's gonna blow up.
Change the color on the rim there.
Yeah, that's it right there, boy. Yeah, you did that right there. Did you do this work yourself or somebody else did it for you?
No, I do my own work.
You did the speakers too, you know?
No, the speakers, I got somebody who did that. Yeah.
Oh, the headlights. The headlights popping. Yeah, that's a nice looking bike right there, boy. So this screen, y'all, you can get the whole custom setup, this tank everything, and it's plug and play, and you get the iPad, everything for $1,300. This whole setup right here, shipped directly to your home for $1,300. Get in my inbox so I can hook y'all up, man. $1,300 for everything. That is nice, nice, nice. So again, let's go over. For the $1,300, you get what? Say what you get again?
You get a shockproof, waterproof tablet. I drove from Florida all the way to here with it in the rain last night. So you good. So you get this whole setup. Instead of having to fabricate all this, you just drill 2 holes in the middle, sit it right on top, screw it from the inside. You got a custom plug and play power harness, fast charging. You just plug it into your ACC right there and you're good. Plug and play everything.
What about the gas tank? You still get to it?
Oh yeah, you just do like this, kind of lift it up. Let me show you.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, man.
Got the helmet to match. I always get extra points for the helmet.
Hey, the helmet. I'm making new helmet lights and everything. The helmet, you'll see it tonight. It lights up too. But it's kind of hard to see right now. Hold on, it ain't even on. Hold on.
Okay, the helmet light up too. I see you. Man, I like it, man. It's popping, bro.
Listen, I got a lot of things coming. I got this thing called Auto Boost. What Auto Boost is, it connects to your bike or your car. And so if you get a dead battery, you just jump it from your phone. Never have to open your hood. And it'll let you know if your battery's going dead or not. So you'll catch it on notification. And for your car, since this ain't got no alternator, it'll let you know if your alternator's going bad. It's gonna be on my website, PhantomLED.com.
So it's gonna tell you where the life of your battery is at, and then if the battery goes dead, you hit a button on your phone and it jump starts the battery.
Jump starts the battery. Never had to open your hood ever.
Never had to open the hood. Wow. All this light up. All this light up too, right?
All this light up.
All the signs light up. Okay. We gonna check you out tonight.
Check this out. I got the very first anti-theft device for these bikes.
Anti-theft device.
Yeah,
Okay.
anti-theft device. You can't start it until you hit this. So therefore you can't hotwire the bike at all. This So it's about to shut off. When you take off on my bike, it'll shut off on you.
Okay.
You know what I mean? It cuts off the gas. See, it just cut off. You know what I mean? So if I try to start it right now, and I don't press the button, so once you try to start it,
you gotta have that on you for it to start. It won't just start with the key. Okay. Technology, man. My man trying to build everything out, man. Let me put you in contact with him. He's trying to build everything out for this bike. Got it looking good. Did the paint itself. All this custom work. The devil is in the details. Y'all already know.
Look at him, his eyes closed.
Congratulations for heavyweight first place.
Custom plug and play harness. There we go right here. You see, you can put a phone sim on there if you want, or you can use text now, Google Voice. Do whatever you want.